Have you ever been scrolling through TikTok comments and suddenly spotted something different? An actual photo instead of the usual text reply? It catches you off guard, doesn't it? You pause, thinking, wait, how on earth did they manage that? Well, you're not alone. Most people have no idea that this little trick exists because TikTok hasn't officially rolled it out everywhere yet. But here's the exciting part. There's a way to unlock this hidden feature even if it's not available in your region. And yes, it works on both iPhone and Android, so no matter what device you're using, you can get access. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to post pictures directly in TikTok comments. Most people miss one small detail and wonder why it fails for them. But you won't, because I'll walk you through everything clearly. Stay with me until the very end. And in just a few minutes, you'll have a new tool that will make your comments stand out in a way most people can't. So let's dive straight in. The method I'm about to show you works on both iPhone and Android. First, open your App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Play Store if you're on Android. Update your TikTok app to the very latest version. Don't skip this step. It's critical. If your app isn't updated, the rest won't work. Now open TikTok and tap on your profile icon. At the top of your profile page, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Tap on that. From here, select Add Account. And here's where most people go wrong. Don't use your current TikTok account. For this to work, you need to create a completely new account. Tap on Continue with Google. But pay attention here, because this is the part that usually trips people up. Right below that button, you'll see a line that says something like, by continuing, your account will be set up in your country. Tap on that country name. For example, if it shows Nigeria, tap it and switch it to Egypt or United States. Why Egypt or United States? Because TikTok has already made the picture comment feature available there. By changing your region during sign-up, you're basically unlocking the feature for yourself. This tiny adjustment is the key that makes the whole method work. Once you've done that, hit Continue with Google and make sure you're using a brand new Google account that you've never linked to TikTok before. Complete the sign-up process. Choose a birth date that's 18 or older, set up your nickname or username, and finalize the account creation. Now close the TikTok app completely. Reopen it, scroll through your feed a little, and then head into the comments section of any video. And here's the moment you've been waiting for. You should now see a little image icon right next to the comment box. That's your confirmation that the feature is unlocked. From this point on, you can upload and post actual pictures in TikTok comments. This instantly makes your replies stand out in a sea of plain text, and it's a great way to grab attention or add personality to your interactions. And that's it. You now know how to unlock one of TikTok's coolest hidden features. Did it work for you? Drop a comment below and let me know what country you're trying this from. I always enjoy seeing where viewers are tuning in. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up so others know it's legit. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'll be sharing even more TikTok tips, hidden features, and secret app tricks that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and have fun flexing your new picture comments.